Whether you're already a Python developer or thinking about learning Python, you have probably wondered what roles are out there for you. In today's video, we are going to move into the top career paths Python developers can explore. So, if you are curious about where Python can take you, you are in the right place. Python's simplicity and versatility have made it one of the most popular programming languages in the world. But its power doesn't stop at just being easy to learn. It's also a gateway to a range of career opportunities. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, automation, or even AI, Python has a role for you. Let's dive into the various roles you can pursue as a Python developer. Python's flexibility allows developers to work in various domains. Here are some of the key roles you can step into a Python developer. Let's talk about web developer. If web development is your focus, Python is a solid choice for building websites and web applications. As a backend web developer, you will have to use frameworks like Django and Flask to manage server-side logic, databases, and APIs efficiently. For a broader skill set, consider becoming a full-stack developer, where you work with both front-end and back-end, integrating Python with JavaScript frameworks like React. This way, you gain control over the entire development process. And if you're looking to master web development with Python, we have put together a series of in-depth courses that cover everything from basics to more advanced topics. As a token of appreciation for our viewers, you can access these courses with a 25% discount using the code PythonHubSub. The link is available in the description whenever you are ready to get started. Moving on to data scientist or analyst. Python's dominance in data science make it the go-to language for data-focused role. As a data scientist, you will use libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn to process large datasets, create predictive models, and generate insights that drive decision-making. This role is perfect for those who enjoy working with data to predict trends and solve complex problems. On the other hand, if you prefer analyzing and interpreting existing data, a data analyst role might be a right fit. You will have to focus on cleaning, processing, and visualizing data to produce actionable insights using Python's powerful tools to create detailed reports and help businesses make data-driven decisions. Now, let's talk about machine learning engineer. For those fascinated by AI and machine learning, becoming a machine learning engineer is one of the most exciting career paths. You will use Python's library like TensorFlow, Keras, and scikit-learn to build optimized algorithms, build machine learning models, and implement AI systems that can learn and improve over time. This role requires a deep understanding of data and algorithms. And it's perfect for individuals passionate about automation, AI, and building intelligent systems that can solve complex challenges. Moving on to automation engineer. In the world of automation and infrastructure management, Python is a game changer. As an automation engineer, you will have to write Python scripts to automate repetitive tasks, manage workflows, and integrate processes with CI or CD pipelines, dramatically increasing development efficiency. For those looking to manage infrastructure, this role leverages Python to automate deployment, monitor systems, and optimize infrastructure operations. Both roles are vital in streamlining development and deployment processes, and Python's simplicity and versatility make it an ideal tool in this high-demand fields. Moving on to a software engineer or a developer. Finally, Python offers limitless possibilities as a software engineer. Whether you're building simple scripts or large-scale enterprise applications, Python's versatility ensures you to tackle a wide range of projects. Its ease of use and extensive libraries make it a favorite among developers working on everything from desktop applications to data analysis tools. If you enjoy writing clean, efficient code and solving problems through software, this role is an excellent fit, allowing you to apply your Python skills in various industries and platforms. As you see, mastering Python opens the door to a wide variety of career opportunities. Whether you are drawn to web development, data science, machine learning, automation, there's a Python role that fits your interests and skills. The versatility of Python means you can find and build a successful career in almost any area of technology. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Python Hub for more insights into Python career, tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below with the Python role you are most interested in, and let's discuss how to get you started. Thank you.